Microcars, my favourite. Microlina, spiaggina. I think I know what that means. That's it. Spiaggina is an Italian word that literally means little beach or small beach. You have to be careful how you say that. I don't want to upset anybody. It comes from spiaggia, that's why I knew it, beach, plus the diminutive suffix ina. But it's also used in a more specific way. In Italian car culture, spiaggina refers to a beach car, a small open-top, doorless car designed for summer driving near the coast. The most famous example is the Fiat Jolly Spiaggina, that's why I knew it. A fun, wicker-seated beach version of the classic Fiat 500, often used at resorts in the 1960s. Microlino, spiaggina. Oh wow, look at them. Again, beach star, retro charm for the summer, pure summer feeling thanks to the open-sided and airy rear. The spiaggina offers the ultimate summer experience. You can enjoy the fresh breeze while driving. The high-quality fabric roof can either be rolled back or removed completely in a few simple steps. More summer feeling is not possible. The interior in white, blue or grey-brown is made of special vegan leather, which is also used in sailing yachts and is particularly resistant to moisture. Again, I love it. When I was a kid, the guy at my dad's works had a bubble car. They didn't have a reverse. So they waited one day for him to come in, 4 or 5 of them, picked the whole vehicle up and pushed him against the wall. Of course, the front opened outwards to get out, so he couldn't get out, and they left him in his car all day. I think they clocked him on, but, you know, so it didn't cost him anything. I don't know why they did it, but, you know, it probably seemed funny at the time. The Microlina Spiaggina is a unique summer vehicle that will delight retro enthusiasts and fans of modern electromobility, inspired by beach classics such as the Fiat 600 Jolly and Citroen Mahari. Both of which I saw a couple of weeks ago, still going in Sorrento. The Spiaggina embodies the ultimate beach feeling on 4 wheels. The Spiaggina is available in an exclusive limited first edition in the 2 colours Portofino Blue and Sardinia Sage. Now I like that. I really, really like that. More than just a beach car, the Microlino Spiaggina is based on the proven technology of the Microlino and naturally offers the same advantages: a range of up to 177 kilometres, plenty of space in the trunk, and rechargeable in just 4 hours from a household socket. This makes the Spiaggina ideal not only for beach vacations, but also for weekly shopping trips, golf courses, or as a sharing vehicle for hotels. Top speed 90 kilometres per hour. Made in Italy. From €24,990. Limited first edition. Ordinary Microlino. Concept, performance, environment, concept. Space for 2. Goodness me. Space for 2 adults and 3 beer crates. Fully charged in just 4 hours on standard household socket. Cross park and get out directly on the sidewalk. Again, fantastic. No more searching for parking spaces. Fits in any parking space and garage. The Microlino fits in anywhere, whether in a parking space in the city or at home next to your SUV in the garage. It fits transversely into any spot, so you only need 1/3 as much space as with a conventional car. The innovative front door allows you to get out directly onto the sidewalk, simply, elegantly and efficiently. Charging genius. Forget long charging times and expensive charging stations. Your Microlino is fully charged in just 4 hours at a conventional socket, just as easy as charging your smartphone. Start each day with a full charge and maximise your flexibility and independence. Convertible feeling. Open the sunroof of your Microlino and let the sun in. Ideal for enjoying a fresh breeze and boosting your mood with natural light. The sunroof conveys a feeling of freedom, perfect for summer rides through the city. Space wonder. Small but still spacious, the Microlino surprises with its generous amount of space despite its compact size. The comfortable bench seat offers space for 2 adults, while the generous trunk with a volume of 230 litres offers enough space for optional luggage, shopping bags, 1 large suitcase and 2 pieces of hand luggage, 3 beer crates. Half the footprint, twice the flexibility. Introducing the Microlino.
I've never seen anything quite like it before.
This is different.
When I look at it, I feel like it's smiling at me.
I can't really put it into
C'est
words.
l'incarnation du futur.
Io vorrei provarci.
This is not a car.
It's a pioneer.
That's what an EV should be. I want one. I mean, all these little cars, honestly, that's what everybody should have. Configure now. Light, Microlino. So the light, that starts from £16,990, limited to 45 kilometres an hour. Standard range, 93 kilometres. Light interior and rims. Matte colour option, orange trim details, LED lights, coupe roof, soft close mechanism, sport mode. Dual displays, heating. Configure now. Venice blue, Berlin anthracite matte. Well, I like Venice blue, to be honest. Wheel caps. Can't see any difference there. Standard roof, sunroof. So we want the sunroof, £590. Yes, definitely. Standard interior, premium interior, comfort package. Oh, I'd have to have that. Definitely have to have that. And then standard ranges, medium range, 1,800 quid extra, but doubles the range. Options and information. That comes to 19,970. I mean, that's just the right colour to do it in Gulf colours as well. And the orange there. Design statement. Born in Switzerland, made in Italy. Feel the embrace of Dolce Vita, the good life, as you open the sunroof, immersing yourself in an extraordinary driving experience that harmonises with your surroundings. Never waste time again in the search for a parking spot. The unique front door concept allows you to elegantly cross park between 2 cars. This isn't just transportation, it's an elevated journey, seamlessly marrying form and function. The Microlino Light will come in 2 distinct colours and interiors. Automotive safety cell. First in its class, the Microlino Light features a self-supporting steel unibody that improves safety and driving behaviour compared to the tubular frame of other vehicles in its class, like Miami. UK from 16 years. Let's go back to the configurator. Microlino. Configure now. Ah, here we go. Amsterdam orange, Santorini white. Let's have a look. Wheel caps. Sunroof, that's included in the price. Standard interior, premium again. Battery, now you can have a longer range battery. £3,500. 228 kilometres, £22,080. Now, actually, I'll tell you what I need to do. I need to change that because I'm going to put it in Santorini white. Knock that off. And then I'm going to do it in Gulf colours. But again, I love it. What EV should be. Absolutely what EV should be. Let me just see one more thing though before I pack in for today. Used cars, electrics, any micro. Come on, micro, where are you? Micro. Search. There's 9 vehicles for sale in the UK. Blimey, that one's been for sale from the 10th of 10th 2024. Let's just put it on most recent. That's AutoTrader's relevance again, that really winds me up. Search 9 cars. So medium range, 800 miles, 20,990. That's the Le Mans edition. Like it could do with a wash, to be honest, unless that's part of the design. Well, that's the dash. 14 mile on it there. Close. Back to advert. Another one here. Nearly new, 5 miles. It is nearly new, isn't it? That one's the long range. 26th of the 6th 2025, 2nd of the 8th 2025, 5th of the 8th 2000, 16th of the 6th 2025. That's Nottingham, Farnborough, West Kensington. So it looks like there's a few dealers. Livery Dole, that's the one we saw before, wasn't it? That's there. So Exeter, that will be, I think. Yep. Nottingham. Looks like a few of them have you know, been available for a while. That one, 10th of the 10th 2024. But love it. Exactly what electric vehicles should be. You're doing a short journey in one of them. Leave your big car at home. Save the planet that way. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.